here I am at Spruce Knob up in West Virginia. This is at estimated elevation about 4,800 feet. So I just did the drive up here, just stopped off, and I'm going to do a hike. I think it's the Huckleberry trail. I don't know how far it is. I'm just kind of doing some initial exploring. But here we are in West Virginia, going to get started hiking. So obviously there's still some snow in this part of the at this altitude, which I think is crazy, but yet absolutely beautiful. Alright, so I'm going to try this Whispering Spruce Trail. Alright, so here is the trail, and pretty much right here at the observation tower. And this is the Huckleberry Trail. So I'm going to go down here. Maybe I'll come back this way, maybe I'll just go down a little ways and come back. I'm not sure, but I'm going to start here and then kind of go my way down. Alright, so here we go. Oh well, I don't know if you saw that, but a couple small birds. In fact, I might switch out to my long lens because that's not the first few birds I've seen. Alright, maybe I'll catch the birds this time. For today's setup, I actually have two camera bodies on me. Look at this. That's a fly. Big house worm. Let's see if we can get that. Alright, there we go. So for today's setup, I'm interchanging the long lens and macro lens on my D90, as you can see here. And get my D50, my older model with the wide angle. Idea here is that I'm going to be changing between maybe wide angle for landscapes, and I want to get up close with the camera with the more megapixels. You know, the D90 definitely has a lot higher resolution. So that's the basic theory, and so far it seems to be working. It's a lot more convenient changing cameras rather than changing lenses. It's a lot quicker and a lot easier. So we got a cairn here, and for those who don't know, a natural stack of rocks like that, it's basically a marker, a trail marker that's commonly used. So you see that, that means you're on the right trail typically. Like I said earlier, You got cairns. Well, here's another one. Just marking the trail. So pointing out the other ones, another cairn. In fact, this one is actually a marker. It says 2 miles. So gone pretty far. Onwards. Sweet. Perfect. This moss is incredibly awesome to photograph.